no, no, no.
Don't let it fall off the couch. That Frank's gonna kill it.
Sports drinks contain electrolytes, which are essential minerals for muscles and fluid regulations.
熊大熊大，来张嘴！哎呦，我的天哪！哎呦呀，这个太清楚哟！哎呦呦呦呦，厉害了，我的小熊！
Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy guy.
Tell me the dogs aren't properly trained without telling me the dogs aren't properly trained.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Just wait.
Can I help you? Can I use the bathroom? Thank you. I just need a little privacy.
Hey. My name is Kitty Cat.
Indoor cat versus outdoor cat.
Tortoises live up to around 50 to 100 years old. Consider that your pet might outlive you if you decide to own one.
Hi, Lily. Yeah. Hi. You're so cute. Yes, you're a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yes. Cute freak of nature thing.
Hey, buddy.
What's going on? What you doing? His eyes look so crazy.
Oliver.
Hey, buddy. His eyes are so big.
What is going on?
It's properly prepared and free from any parasites or diseases. It's safe to eat a parrot.
Tree there, buddy.
Our body creates vitamin D from direct sunlight on our skin. This dog is fully aware of this.
Couldn't afford the cat coin bank, so we made our own.
Size means absolutely nothing to someone who has 9 lives to live.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen.
What's the use of having a pet dog without trying out camera filters with them? There's a love-hate relationship that only siblings would understand. I guess the cows decided to play the game Twister, and here's what happened.